Gotta say sorry.
What you want? What you want?
Just gotta say sorry. It's kind of a quick announcement. I told you I'd get the third video out on painting these guys up. Didn't get it done. Last week was insane. Every vehicle we have, my car, my wife's car, and my son's truck, everything broke down. They all broke down. One of them's major. The other two aren't so much, so I spent all last week. I had to go in mechanic mode, and I had to get at least one car. Got one car back up and running, and boy's truck will be up and running soon, so I had to deal with all of that. So I couldn't work on this. That left me not being able to put up a video on this because they ain't painted yet. On the flip side, the shirts did on Facebook. I got a couple prints that came in. Finally, this is the first one. You've probably seen it in the other video. See how there's this black border behind there? I didn't like that, so did another one to get rid of that stuff. That one finally came in. Got it right here. It's got Unhinged Productions across the front. There is no black layer behind that. And then it's got, we went with the green, and we got the Making Something From Nothing pumpkin on the back. I like it. It's a pretty cool shirt. Anyway, after I got that in, I wasn't sure how I was going to sell them. I have an Etsy store. I've had one forever, but I've never used it. So link down below to the Etsy shop, and you can place your order there. Okay, so I'll just explain to you how I got it set up. I don't have a whole lot of money, so I didn't... these aren't ordered from a printer who has shipped me a whole bunch of shirts, and then I'm just selling those out. This is done through basically a drop shipping style deal. They have my setup, my logos, all that stuff, and then it's kind of print on demand type of a situation. It usually takes about, it was about a week each time that I ordered a sample. So from the time I ordered it and actually showed up to the house was it was about a week. Not too bad. I'm not making a whole lot really on these things. The margin's very, very slim. But it was the easiest way for me to do it without having to throw a whole ton of money and gather a whole bunch of shirts and have them and then sell them. So if you just go to Etsy, there'll be a link there. You can pick your sizes. I think it's extra small through XXX, I believe. You'll place your order there. Then those emails come to me, and then once I get those in, then I submit the order on through to the other company, and then they will just ship directly to you. So make sure you get in the order form and stuff, your shipping address and all that stuff, because it'll go from there straight to you. So that's cool. At least out of all this, the shirts came in. If you want some, great, they're there. I'll put the link below. Other than that, I'm going to get back to work on these. That way, we've got a video next week. Until then, go make something from nothing.